Say, have you heard that there's quite a bit of memorization involved in doing well in law school? Well, there is. Here's a chunk of video from a longer video I made for my students recently. Take a listen.
What role does memorizing play in law school? Well, it's an interesting question. I'm glad you asked because it plays a very significant role, but maybe not the way you think. Because you see, if you memorize all the laws that you encountered during all your years in law school, that doesn't guarantee any kind of success at all. Memorizing is a very significant part and an essential part of doing well in law school. But it's not the only part, and from the standpoint of what you do in law school, it's not the most important part. So I'm going to break memorizing down into a number of components, and we can do that by using the journalistic approach of who, what, when, why, how, where, whatever. And we'll start with who. Who needs to memorize? All of you do. Every law student needs to memorize. Those who memorize the right things can do very well in law school. I say can because it's not assured at all. There are so many other components besides memorization. Now, I use the word memorize, and frankly, I don't like the term memorize as applied to law school, but that's what everybody seems to call it, so that's why I'm using the word. Rather, I call it learn by heart or internalizing, because that's what you're doing. You're taking this material and you're internalizing it, making it a part of you, I guess up here, a part of you, so that it's not something separate from you that you have to go to in order to resolve legal problems. It's a part of your being, in a sense, as far as your brain goes. So, to answer the who question again, it's all law students who want to be successful and work at their highest levels. Now, let's deal with the what. What does a law student memorize or internalize?